Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Odeon Nacho Cheese. Melt 2 tablespoon butter in a saucepan over medium heat, then whisk in 2 tablespoon flour to make a smooth roux. Slowly whisk in 1 cup warm milk until the sauce thickens. Add 6 Oz shredded cheddar, 1 TSB chili powder, and a pinch of salt, stirring until melted and silky. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving over chips. Choose quality ingredients for the best nacho cheese. Use sharp cheddar for bold flavor and smooth melting. Warm the milk slightly before whisking into the roux to avoid lumps. If you want extra stability for dipping or nacho platters, stir in a teaspoon of cornstarch dissolved in a little cold water. Finish with a pinch of chili powder, garlic powder, and salt to balance the flavor and keep the texture silky. To make the Odeon Nacho Cheese sing, balance richness with a splash of acid like lime or vinegar. Stir in diced jalapenos or pico for fresh texture and a little kick. Keep the sauce over very low heat and stir occasionally to prevent separation and maintain a glossy, smooth texture. If the sauce thickens too much, whisk in a tablespoon of milk at a time until you reach the ideal pourable consistency for chip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.